Hello everyone, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat and welcome to our YouTube channel. Once again, this is Rofi Lacson from Trading for Beginners PH. And for today's video mga kaibigan, pag-uusapan po natin itong FBS trading tutorial, a step-by-step guide para sa mga beginners. This video is for you kung naghahanap ka ng practical guide paano makapagsimulang mag-trade with FBS trading broker. And for this video discussion, ito yung mga key features na pag-uusapan natin. Una, about FBS Trading Broker. Next, i-discuss din po natin in brief paano mag-open ng trading account. And of course, magkakaroon tayo ng Personal Traders Area Tour. And more importantly, pag-uusapan natin ang basics, paano gamitin ang FBS trading platforms. And last but not the least, itatackle din po natin ang deposit and withdrawal na mga mode of payments available from them na pwede nating gamitin the moment mag-trade tayo dito. So without so much further ado, let's proceed. Nagsimulang mag-offer ng kanilang products and services itong FBS Trading Broker last 2009. Isang highly regulated broker at dito sa atin sa Pilipinas, karaniwang ginagamit ng mga retail traders na may napaka-simple and easy to use na user interface. As to my experience mga kaibigan, merong mabilis na deposit and withdrawal processing. This time, ang pag-uusapan naman natin in brief ay kung paano mag-open ng trading account with FBS. And to start the registration process, maglalagay po ako ng link sa description ng video natin ngayon, gaya po nito. Then you can simply click it and you will be redirected with the sign up page na makikita natin sa screen ngayon. Now, if you are using your mobile phone, wala naman po yung problema dahil ang kabuuang proseso ay the same lang as we use desktop. So first nating gagawin dito, maglalagay lang tayo ng ating country of residence, of course, the Philippines. And confirm lang natin. And right now, nandito na tayo sa pinaka-step to register our account with this broker. And all we need to do is input lang natin ang ating complete name and active email. And then we can proceed with this register button. At the same time, pwede rin po natin gamitin ang ating mismong Facebook account, Google account, or Apple ID to directly register our details the moment nag-sign up tayo. So, tuloy-tuloy mo lang sundan ang proseso and input mo lang ang mga information na kailangan. And for the final part ay ang pag-verify ng ating identity gamit ang ating mga valid IDs like nitong government-issued identification card such as driver's license, passport, national ID, and among others. And magsasubmit din po tayo ng ating proof of address gamit ang ating mga utility bills, bank account statements. In short, ito yung KYC ng ating pag-register. And you don't need to worry dahil wala naman po itong complication at mabilis lamang ang proseso the moment na sunod lang natin ng tama ang mga necessary instructions. So, ito na po yung verified trading account ko with FBS. At bago tayo mag-proceed doon sa pag-explore ng kanilang trading platform, magkakaroon muna tayo ng Personal Traders Area Tour. So, basically, ito yung pinaka-dashboard niya at dito mo makikita ang yung mga trading accounts. So, I have my standard real account and also itong standard demo na lahat po ma-access ko ito with MT5. Now, kung gusto mo magdagdag ng another trading account, click mo lang itong add new account button dito. Nung nakaraang taon, nang nag-register ako, ay available pa po dito ang sent account. But as of now, wala na po ako makitang sent, standard na lang. You either mag-add ka ng real account or demo. And to proceed para matapos yung pagdagdag mo ng account, click mo lang itong open account button. So lahat ng mga navigational tabs ay nasa bandang left side. Kapag ang ginamit natin ay desktop, itong mga finances, this relates to deposits and withdrawal. We have here the rewards hub, analytics and education. If you are intentional to learn about forex trading, andito ang mga courses na available and good news, this is free. Also, itong help center wherein nakafocus po ito sa mga technicalities na gusto nating malaman with regards to trading with FBS. And nandito rin ang profile settings. Now, if you have any concern and issues about your FBS trading activities, you can simply connect with the support Una, itong chat assistant at input mo lang yung pangalan at saka email and then you can start the chat. I think this is AI-powered na chat services, but kung talagang gusto mong magpa-assist with an account manager, you can directly contact doon sa support mismo by clicking this help center and then itong contact us. And you can practically input ng request mo dito and then submit. Okay? So ngayon, ang explore naman natin mga kaibigan ay ang trading platforms ng FBS as a broker. First, itong the FBS app, a smart, secure, and simple solution to help you uncover your trading potential. This is a proprietary trading app ng broker na to na as to their promotion, meron itong 0.01 seconds execution ng ating trade. At kung gusto mong i-download ang app na to, puntahan mo lang ang iyong personal traders area and you scroll down at makikita natin dito ang section wherein pwede nating i-download ang APK for Android and then meron din sa Google Play. And finally, itong MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 na trading platform which is most commonly used ng mga traders at pwede nating i-download sa ating desktop mismo. And the best part about FBS, bukod sa pwede nating i-download ang MP5 or MP4 sa ating desktop, pwede rin natin itong ma-access as a web trader. To illustrate more, subukan natin itong demo account ko. You can simply click this trade button dito. Ito yung mga details to log in and we can download the app to our desktop and at the same time pwede rin natin ma-access sa web terminal. So proceed tayo dito sa web terminal. Ano yan, nag-process sa pag-login. And ito na po yung MT5 Web Trader brought to us by FBS. So as you can see, hindi pa ako naglalagay ng mga indicators. Sobrang linis pa ng ating chart. So I assume that you are a beginner, kaya magkaroon tayo ng konting discussion about kung paano gamitin ang web trader na to. So ito yung pinaka-chart niya and of course yung moving dito ay ang candlestick. Ito yung pinaka-common na ginagamit. But if you want to change, punta ka lang dito. So may bars, may line, may area. But of course, most of the traders ang gamit ay candlestick. Itong parang pattern naman na nandito ay tinatawag na tick volumes. Pwede mo naman itong tanggalin, pero pwede natin ito magamit for technical basis sa ating trading decisions din. Right here, ito naman yung mga time frames. M1 means 1 minute, M5, 5 minutes, merong 15 minutes, 30 minutes, R1, R4, day 1, week 1, and month. So the moment mag-click tayo dito, halimbawa gusto natin ng 1 hour time frame, so ibig sabihin, itong mga candlestick dito ay gumagalaw po siya hourly. Meaning this is 1 hour candlestick, another 1 hour candlestick, and so on. And ganun din, pagka nag-M5 tayo or 5 minutes, bawat candlestick ay 5 minutes po ito. So you can explore yourself sa platform na to. Nasa left side ang mga other navigations na gusto mong puntahan din. Merong chart settings. Ayan. Talagang you do not underestimate the power of demo trading the moment tayo ay beginner dahil dito tayo matututo na walang inilabas na pera at the same time virtual money lang po ito lahat kaya hindi tayo malulugi literally. Ito naman yung mga indicators dito and of course the pricing of the currency pairs which is ang ginamit ko dito ay ang usual kong tinitrade itong gold. So if you want to create your new order or itong pagtitrade na, you can simply click this button dito sa pinaka-bottom. Ayan. At dito lalabas ngayon, pwede kang mamili either market execution or limit order. Ibig sabihin ng limit is may papasukin kang price ng currency pairs at automatically dun siya magtitrade. But market execution, the moment nag-click ka ng confirmation with your order, automatic yan. Mag-a-appear agad yung order mo executed immediately. Ito yung lot size, ito yung stop loss and take profit. So let's say mag-order tayo ng, for me sa scalping, parang mag-sell ako dito, halimbawa na lang, 0.1 lot. So mag-sell tayo. Ayan, and done na po yung order natin kasi market execution. At dito makikita natin ngayon na gumagalaw na po yung trade natin. And you can subscribe to our channel dahil magkaroon tayo ng separate video tutorial detailed paano gamitin ang trading platform na to. Now for the final part ng ating video, pag-uusapan naman natin ang deposit and withdrawal mode of payments na available pwede nating gamitin kapag tayo ay nagtitrade with FBS. So gawin lang natin ay puntahan ang finances. Halimbawa gusto nating mag-deposit, so dito makikita natin ang mga available mode of payments for us to process our deposit the moment tayo ay magtitrade. So merong GCash, mga cryptocurrency, debit cards, Visa, Mastercard, Maestro, we have Neteller and Skrill, at marami pa pong iba. Sa withdrawal naman, ganun din. Mostly sa mga nabanggit ko with deposit options ay available din sa withdrawal processing. So we can use crypto, electronic payments, bank cards. Ako ginagamit ko personally is GCash in terms of deposit and withdrawal. So ayan, meron ding BDO, BPI, Land Bank at marami pa pong iba. So as to my personal experience mga kaibigan, in just a matter of 3 to 5 minutes, pasok na po ang ating deposit or withdrawal processes. So that's lang po muna for our video mga kaibigan. I hope natulungan ka ng ating content today. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and good luck with your trading journey.